Hey everyone, welcome back to Coco Rex, and today I just wanted to do a really quick analysis on Ethereum because it's approaching a very key level. And before we start, just a quick disclaimer: nothing I say today should be used as financial advice. Please do your own research and analysis before you make any financial decisions. Alright, let's get straight to it. So what I've done is drawn a trend line from the bottom here, March 2020 bottom. This was the COVID drop. And as you can see, the price of Ethereum is just about to approach this trend line. Now, if we break this, right, we could see a lot of selling pressure, right? We could be heading pretty far down. And the next level I'm watching is probably back down to the previous all-time high, if that breaks. But whether it breaks or not, we'll have to wait and see. Now, what I've realized is, just doing a bit of macro analysis, if I have a look at the previous market cycle, approximately 336 days after the Bitcoin halving, we got this mid-cycle correction for Ethereum and a drawdown of about 67%. Now this time around, similar sort of time frame after the Bitcoin halving, 357 days, and a drawdown of about 63%. Now, could this be the bottom? I'm not too sure, only time will tell, but I'll just give my honest analysis on this. So on the weekly chart, what we have here is, this looks like a double bottom. All right, if we go back to the daily chart, what we can see is that double bottom there, right? It is still in a downtrend, all right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, we've got a little bit of a decent amount of buying action going around this region here, which would, if this was to play out, if this pushed up, this would form a new higher low, which would be very critical for Ethereum's price, and it would give it good momentum pushing back up to these levels. All right, if I was to draw a long-term Fibonacci all the way from this level here, you can see that it is in this 0.5 to 618 golden zone, which is a key level for me. There was a lot of buying action around the 618 level, as you can see there. Now, if I was to look in the 4-hourly chart, what we have here is this trend line has been broken, and Ethereum has retested this trend line perfectly. So from this, I want to see a couple of key levels break. First of all, it needs to break this level here. So if we break this, we'd start seeing a little bit of momentum on the 4-hourly, right? This would be a higher high, and hopefully it starts creating another higher low, and we do get a little bit of momentum, all right? And we haven't seen that yet. I want to see a full trend reversal in Ethereum before I can start taking a trade, because currently the market is still very choppy. Okay, now for me to be really confident of a bullish momentum, I would like to see Ethereum break this level here. All right, this very key level on the daily, to really create a bullish momentum, because then that would give us a higher high. All right, now that is something I'm watching very closely, but if I'm going to be scalping or taking a couple of short-term trades, I'm watching the 4-hour level. Okay, after it breaks this, it does have a little bit of resistance before it gets all the way up there. If I draw the fibs, assuming this is the bottom, it does have a couple of resistance levels there on fibs, and another key level I'm watching is this level here. Okay, so it does have a long way to go. It's not going to be easy, but hopefully Ethereum can do that. The fundamentals for Ethereum haven't changed. They're still as bullish as ever. Okay, so let's just wait and see what happens. But I just wanted to make this video real quick because we are approaching this trend line here, which is a very key level, and I really don't want to see Ethereum break this, because if it does, we could be heading down pretty fast, down to these levels probably, or even lower. Okay, I would like to have a quick look at the ETH BTC chart just on the daily time frame. Now, since September 2019, Ethereum has outpaced Bitcoin's growth quite significantly and has recently just broken out of this trend line, okay? And just in the last couple of weeks, it has come down to retest this trend line and is now forming a descending triangle. This is usually not the most bullish of structures, so it could easily break down this way, right? But I'm just waiting for the market to make a decision on the direction. All right, so what it's done is, if I draw my fibs here, it has seen a lot of support on the 0.5 level, right? And we could easily see this break down to the 618 level, and only time will tell. Okay, Ethereum fundamentals are still as strong as ever, and with the EIP 1559 update coming up, you never know what's going to happen, but I am just patiently waiting for the market to make a decision on the direction. Alright, that's all for today. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. We do have a lot of good stuff coming up, not just on crypto. We've got Forex, stocks, NFTs. So please subscribe to stay up to date with our content. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Telegram. I'll put the links down in the description below. And that's all from me. Have a good day. Peace out. See you soon.